guys, it's Mia. Today I am here making butter slime. A lot of you wanted to know how to make butter slime. I'm running out of video ideas, so comment down below what videos I could do. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make butter slime. So first you're gonna wanna put in your glue. You wanna get it all out. Okay, so once all your glue is in there, you're going to want to put a lot more shaving cream than you usually do. So you're going to put like the same amount, like up to there. Okay, and then you're just going to want to mix that with the spoon. Okay, so once it is all mixed up, you're gonna wanna get a glass of warm water and your borax. Borax in the water, not a lot, about like a teaspoon. And then, look, it won't even fit into the cup. Okay, so I'm gonna actually use this to mix it. And the reason why you want to use warm water is so it blends up, you know what I mean? You're gonna want to mix it and slowly pour it in. That was a little bit fast, but it's good. The spoon broke! Oh my gosh. My bad. Okay, so you're gonna wanna get a strong spoon that doesn't break, right? Yeah. Strong spoon that doesn't break. You're just gonna wanna mix it, and it's mixing. It's gonna be super duper fluffy because you wanna add a lot of shaving cream. Oh, it hurts my arm. See that it's fine. So like, oh, it's so fluffy. Okay, so this slime is, if this happens to you, the slime is not very good. So if that happens to you, you're going to want to get a bowl of really hot water. After that, after you get the bowl of hot, oh, it's already better. You're just gonna, you want a really hot water, like not just warm water, like hot water. And you're just gonna want to squish it in there. But this is only if your slime gets like too hard. Very runny, but it's supposed to happen. It's supposed to happen if your slime's too hard and you want to make it better. It's gonna be very runny and liquidy and, you know. But then, see, it's already so much better than it was before. It like stretches now. Now it's good. And it's not gonna be super duper stretchy because we added a lot of shaving cream. So keep that in mind. It's not gonna be your typical fluffy slime. So it's gonna be like super fluffy, so it's not gonna stretch as much, but that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so once your slime is fluffy, like super duper fluffy slime, you're going to put it back in the bowl that's cleaned out, and then you're going to get out your cornstarch, and then you're gonna dump a lot of it in. I dumped the whole thing in, so that's good. You're going to just want to mix it. It's very powdery. Very powdery. If you can't tell.
Powder's coming out of it, it's so powdery.
I know. Okay, so I added a lot of cornstarch. Maybe even too much.
Yeah, maybe it was too much because you did the whole thing.
Oh, this is good. And guys, it doesn't have to be this messy. I'm just like a really messy person, so. It's like dough. Awesome. There we go. This is getting better. Okay guys, now my butter slime is complete, but we're still gonna have to add color. But look how good it spreads. It's so awesome sauce, totes the bomb. And it's so butter slimy. And this is such an easy method. A lot of people say you have to use like the easy magic clay, but cornstarch really works. And if I had a knife, I would spread it, but let's pretend my hands are a knife. It spreads really good. And the texture, I can't even describe how good the texture is. It's like a mix between Play-Doh, slime, and silly putty. And like it feels really good because like it's not sticky. Like look, if I drop it on my jacket, it doesn't stick to my jacket. You know what I mean? Like feel it. Do you guys like it?
You like some?
You like it?
Yeah, it doesn't stick.
Yeah, it doesn't stick. So guys, these are my cousins and they are going to be testing my slime and seeing how good it is, and they're going to be making colors.
Doughy, it's like something that I forgot, it's like clay. You did a good job, it's really good.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching my butter slime video. Honestly, this is so amazing. It does not stick and it's super duper fun. So anyway, comment if you guys liked my butter slime video and comment down below what other videos I should do because I'm running out of ideas. So just comment down below, and if I use your idea, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Bye! Peace!